We're not fishing today, we're hunting. Oh yeah, we got ourselves a big flat here. For boys. Tangled up the other line now. We are disconnected from our tie off, I believe. Oh. Pull me around. It's not tangled up. Shoot. Shoot. It's pulling us into some trees. Need to land this guy quick. Got plenty of structure underneath me. Cannot let him get to it. This is a big flatty. Man, get me out of this. Oh, shit. He's turning me around. He's almost ready. Oh, yes. Oh, baby. Cord. Oh. Oh, son, right in the corner of the mouth. Perfect hook. Oh man, perfect. Oh yes. I'll tell you what, I was just about to give up. This cold was cutting into me pretty well, and I stuck it out. So this is what you get. All right, everything's gonna be slimy. My phone charger cord. I got wrapped up my reel several times and gave me a bit of a scare. Oh my gosh. This is a pig. This is a pig. Hoover flatheads, baby. I knew I found them. I knew they were coming. I've spent 2 years trying to find Hoover flatheads, and I came out here a couple weeks ago and I caught 2 little babies. I knew when he would be there. He's heavy. He's heavy, boys. So I'm gonna let him go so he can get even bigger. But it's nice seeing you, buddy. Looks like I can see another 10. You always got CPR. These big fish are too valuable. Definitely worth a lot more than your sandwich. So wait till he starts biting me. Get some water in his lungs. Oh yeah, he's ready. There he is. I tell you what, I almost gave up. I was like, 10 more minutes, I'm out of here. I'm not even cold anymore. Not even cold anymore. In fact, I'm warm. Oh man. Basically what I did there, I changed my strategy up. I had a lot, in this area, every time I come out here, I get a lot of bait killed. I mean, I'll go through a dozen and a half bluegill because I'll cast out and then they'll just get crunched. These flatheads were just going up and down this bank here, and it's going up and down this bank and just killing bait. And I think they're leaving them and coming back and eating them later when they know they're good and dead, or just that guy protecting his territory and killing everything that he sees. So what I did was I tied myself off to a tree, and because it's a real steep bank and there's trees everywhere laying down along the steep bank, I just tied myself off to where I can have one rod in the front and one rod in the back on different sections of that decline, and then I out of the rod holder I just dropped it down to hit the bottom, and I reeled it up so it was just off the bottom. That way, if he came up and bit it, he's going to have that rod ready to load up on him instead of being casted out and him pulling on it and being able to let go. So I just had them both sitting directly underneath me, and I mean, you could tell he would barely had time to play with it, and he was hooking up. So it paid off. It paid off. Hoover reservoir flatheads, baby. Alright, well, I'm going home.